Hello everyone, let's learn today how to create an advanced roadmap in Jira. So for creating an advanced roadmap in Jira, first you need to go to the plan section on the top, click on it and click on create plan section. Here you need to provide the advanced Jira roadmap so you can give your project name or a team name. For example, my program name is Light Mart, so I am giving a Light Mart advanced roadmap. Okay. Once you give the plan name, here you are seeing the option access where you are seeing two options. One is a open and another one is a private. If you are keeping it private, so only you will be able to see the board. But if you want to give the access to your organization, always select the open options. Next is click on the issue resources where you find three options. One is a board, another one is a project, third one is a filter. So you can create an advanced roadmap with the help of a board. Take an example if you are having a multiple teams who are having the multiple boards and which you want to onboard on one roadmap plan. So you can select the board. Another one is the project. If you are having a multiple projects, for that you want to see the advanced roadmap. So you can create a project. And the third one is a filter. So if you have any customized filter for individual teams where which you want to onboard on the advanced roadmap, so that you can use the filter option. Today we'll see the project options. So click on the project options and in the next panel you will be finding the list of project which is there for creating the project. So for example, I want to create an advanced roadmap for project called Allied Mart. I select Allied Mart, then I want to onboard one more team. I select the project and the one more team is Papa Sky, right? So for this two team, I want to create a advanced roadmap so that I can able to see how this team is working, what are the dependency between those teams, and how this team are interacting to each other. So just click on the create. Great. So you can see here for the both the team one is a EM, which is nothing a Elite Mart. All the stories came over there, and the Sky one is nothing a Papa Sky. So you can see the advanced roadmap. You can drag drop the stories over here. Here you have a field of sections. If you don't want to see the field section, just click on it. So you can see the roadmap plan to this particular projects where you can plan the start date and the end date also. There's a number of options also to play around the advanced roadmap, which we can see in the next video. So for today only, we will just see how to create the advanced roadmap, which I showed you in the initially. If you like this video, just click on the like button and subscribe for more upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.